Hey, let's get active. I'm Coach Pirillo. Thank you for tuning in to Teach Phys Ed. We got an underhand throwing activity, and this one is called Got Points. Here's some items that you will need. We are using hula hoops and cones, bowling pins and poly spots, and then whatever items you want kids to throw. You can use a cush ball. We're using beanbag scarves, and then I'm using regular beanbags. So again, anything you want kids to throw, use it. You could use Beanie Babies, a foam-coated ball, whatever you want. Now, the cone part is optional, but we have found out that, I don't know why it took me all these years to figure this out, but sometimes when they play this game, the hula hoops will scoot everywhere, and then you'd be constantly moving them. So the cone helps stop it when the kids play. It's not going to move very far, so it's just kind of as like a weight. It adds a weight to it. Now that I'm thinking, I'm wondering what it would do if you kind of just had it on the edge. I don't know. Who knows? But I kind of just put it in the middle of the hoop. So in this activity, the students are going to play by themselves. And what they're going to do is, we take the throwing items and scatter them all down the middle somewhere. Doesn't matter. And we have more than enough for the students. So they're going to come out and they're going to pick one item that they want to use to throw. We are using the sidelines of the gym and, the out-of-bounds line from the basketball line here. So we're practicing again that underhand throw. And in this activity, there's multiple ways to score some points. So I'm going to do my underhand throw, and I try to score some points. Now, my beanbag landed inside the hula hoop, and when it lands in the hula hoop, I get 1 point. Now, when I come back out to get an item, I can get the same beanbag, but chances are a friend's probably going to get there. So they're probably going to take it, and it's okay. I'm going to find a new one. So now I look, maybe I'll use a ball this time. So the kids are getting that choice. Now, when I do and I go back and I throw again. So I'm just constantly throwing and adding up my points as I go. If they happen to knock down a bowling pin, it didn't fall down. Weebles wobble. And so if it happened to fall down, I would earn 2 points. So if I knock down a bowling pin, I get 2 points. Now, we tell the kids, too, to make sure you stand it back up on the dot. That's what I'm using. I'm using the dots. And then if they, for a chance, can get it to stop and stay on a poly spot, they get 3 points. So it's 1 in the hoop, 2 for the bowling pin, 3 for a poly spot. And so the kids are just constantly, nonstop, working on that underhand throw. And they're just adding up. And they get so excited when they get a point. Oh, man, it's so fun to see. I hope that your students will enjoy this one. I'm Coach Pirillo reminding you to keep on moving.